I've got my spring back shirt because we're bringing the sexy in the spring back. Summer is just a few months away and a lot of people are trying to get their summer body on, especially after gaining that quarantine 15. The biggest question people are always asking me is, what products should I take to lose weight? First off, if all you have to worry about is losing weight in your health journey, you're doing pretty good. I'm gonna start off with the disclaimer. None of the products that I mentioned today are meant to prevent, cure, or mitigate any diseases. So do consult with your physician prior to taking any health supplements. When I found Total Life Changes products, I was overweight, pre-diabetic, having psoriatic arthritis issues, fibromyalgia issues, amongst other things. I needed a total life change when it came to my health overall, and health includes weight. So losing weight was a part of that for me. The first dietary supplement from Total Life Changes I'm going to mention in terms of helping people control their cravings is an appetite suppressant known as, y'all know it, resolution drops. This right here is the weight loss product that I advise people on the most. Resolution drops, when taken properly, which you do have to be anal about, will help you suppress your appetite cravings to the point where you are no longer craving things. And by eating less and taking in less calories, you'll naturally lose weight. If you need help with maintaining your calories, as a new client of mine, I have a free meal, exercise, and supplement tracker available to you guys that I will leave in the description box below. I offer to all my new clients a month's worth of 1,200 calorie recipes. So go on ahead and get in my preferred customer list. If you're trying to buy some resolution drops, there's no time like today, especially when we get to the end of the video and I tell you some deals that are going on right now, which is why I made this video and got it out right now. The resolution drops also, they go best with the 1,200 calorie meal plan diet. When I was taking the rapid drop challenge with Total Life Changes a few months ago, this is the first time that I really lost about 10 pounds in a month. I was taking the resolution drops with a 1,200 calorie diet. I was monitoring what I was eating and I was doing regular workouts. So the weight just fell off of me. It was not painful. It did not feel like I was very restricted. I didn't even notice it until I stepped on the scale and started seeing things were changing for the better and maintaining for the better. Resolution drops are the first thing that I advise everybody take who really wants to lose weight. Detox teas are for detoxing. They are for cleansing your colon. Total Life Changes has some of the best detox teas on the market. For me, what's important to me as somebody who does this health stuff for real, not just for weight loss, I need to be able to look up every ingredient that is in what I'm taking and research it for myself, and my doctor needs to be able to clear me on it. So what I love about the Iaso teas is they're just that. You can literally look up everything that's in them. They check out, you can find out everything online. But my favorite detox tea for weight loss specifically is the original Iaso Brew tea. Now, a lot of people have hang-ups about this because they don't want to take the time to brew their tea. It's a little long. You have to let this steep for about 4 to 8 hours and then put it in a gallon. But in terms of losing weight, not only did I get a gentle detox from my colon, like I wasn't running to the bathroom, I was just having bowel regularity, but you get a gentle detox. It's flavorless. You get the benefits of your skin getting better because you are detoxing from the inside. I mean, a lot of people don't even know acne is literally your face trying to detox from the mucus and things that are in your pores. So people who wind up taking detox teas, they do wind up having clearer skin. I don't have makeup on right now. You know your girl's flawless. But I love the original brew tea for weight loss. It's gentle. You get the same effects that you do from the CBD tea or the instant tea, which I feel like maybe a little stronger. This is a completely herbal blend of tea. Everything in here is completely herbal. I have a separate video where I went over everything in the original Brew tea, and I'll leave that in the description box below for you as well. But this is the only tea that I actually dropped 5 pounds in 5 days with, and that's why I say that. It's gentle, it's flavorless. The resolution drops and this, you can't go wrong with it. These two alone are a kit called the Control Kit. Till 9 p.m. Eastern Time today, if you're seeing this today, this is 30% off. So I will leave, I will leave the link below where you can buy the Control Kit and get 30% off below. But there's another kit that has these as well alongside another one. Now, when people tell me that they want to lose weight, I always ask them, are you exercising? Supplements are meant to supplement your lifestyle. If you are working out or you're trying to work out, NRG is your best bet, period and point and blank. NRG, for somebody who suffered with chronic fatigue and fibromyalgia, I was drinking a lot of coffee before and I hated the nerves that it gave me. NRG is a natural-based energy supplement with no jitters. I got like 8 hours of energy at least, and it was amazeballs. And I love NRG. But I always tell people, if you're not gonna work out, it's no point in having you giving you taking NRG. Like, I don't find it to be an appetite suppressant, even though this is advertised as an appetite suppressant. My experience with it was not that of an appetite suppressant, so I don't advertise it that way. However, as somebody who struggled with chronic fatigue, fibromyalgia, coffee was not doing it for me. In fact, it was making my nerves worse. NRG gave me 8 hours of energy and allowed me to start working out again. It gave me the energy to get through my day and get through my errands and get through a workout. So anybody who's aspiring to work out or they are working out currently, I always tell them, get the NRG, because the same reason why bodybuilders, they drink a cup of coffee before they go in, that's the reason why you should take NRG before you start working out. You're gonna burn so many more calories by incorporating this because you're gonna have so much energy to burn. You're gonna wanna do more. Fat is gonna drop out that much faster, okay? You can get the Iaso original tea, the NRG, and the resolution drops for a $70 discount. I have a private Facebook group. Men and women are welcome. All of these products are unisex. You can add yourself into my challenge. You can get the meal planner tracker. You can start tracking your meals. Like, I'm giving a lot of freaking value for people because I know that weight loss is a big problem and I have a solution for that, but it's a holistic one. I don't just incorporate supplements. I incorporate the mind, body, and soul in everything that I'm doing. So in addition to these supplements that you can put in your body, I'm giving you guys workout inspiration. I'm giving you guys accountability and mental health. We're going to be together in a group in the BB Beachbodies Facebook group, and I will leave the link for that below. And we are going to be getting right for the summer, regardless of whatever your health goals are. Did you guys know that by incorporating vitamins as well as a good amount of sleep and water, you are increasing your ability to lose weight? I have to close off with Nutriburst. Nutriburst is the best vitamin in the world. Okay, maybe I'm a little biased, but it's got 10 vitamins, 22 phytonutrients, 72 minerals. It's got magnesium, calcium, everything in here that's better taken in liquid form. Throw them capsule pills away. It's easy to digest. You take a capful of this or a tablespoon of this and you go about your day. Simple as that. Wake up, take some Nutriburst and go about your day. This will help you with weight loss because by incorporating higher amount of necessary vitamins and minerals inside of your body, you're allowing your body to heal itself and do more of things that it needs to do to help you do the rest to lose the weight, okay? So my weight loss products of choice are the Resolution Drops, Iaso Brew Tea, NRG if you're working out or plan on being active, and of course, Nutriburst. Nutriburst. Everybody can take it. If you're just starting your weight loss journey with Total Life Changes, I think these are the products that you might want to look into first. But if you have any other questions, comments, or concerns, there's no community without the you and the I. So please leave all of that in the comment section below. And if you do have something you want to ask me that you maybe don't want to leave in the comment section, check me out on social media, DM me, message me. I love hearing from you guys. So until next time, it's your girl, Bad on BB, over and out.